Welcome back to Dumroese Nation, you guys.
That was the worst timing ever.
Yeah, it was pretty funny. We are going to burn that. Obviously, there is a lot of snow, and it is snowing, and my phone is getting wet. But we've got some work to do. Kind of got stuck on the driveway coming up, but let me go show you that. Be right back. All right, that's, well, garage. There's the truck. I'm gonna walk a little bit. Four-wheel drive, yet it is actually really icy up here. So there's the drive. Whoa, there's the driveway. And yes, that right there is just pure ice. So we decided instead of shoveling through there, we would just come through the garage. So, and we got a propane heater going on inside, and Matt is actually playing on his phone. I can't hear you. Anyway, we'll be back. I'm pooped. All right, this is what we're here for. Right there. Burning all that while there's lots of snow on the ground. Matt went down, walked the road a little bit. Hopefully he doesn't run into any critters, but we'll see. Yeah, it's actually fairly warm. Wow, 20 some degrees, but this thing's burning just fine. Exactly what we wanted to do. So when we get up here in the spring, whew, it'll be all cleared out. So, and I brought a propane heater for the cabin, and that is definitely warming her up. We don't have natural gas. We've got some baseboards, but that propane heater, oh yeah, it's keeping you nice and toasty. So we'll see if we spend the night. We haven't decided yet. So, all right, that is what's left.
Wow.
Well,
see it nail super bright right
those two long boards, but that is what's left. Now, mind you, that's like 1.5 feet deep of coals.
Was they handed?
No. So, it's so warm though, but it is very pretty. Let's go down here. Oofda. Oops. Hopefully, I don't slip. Oof. There you go. Some ice houses. People fishing. All right, Matt. Hold on. All right, there goes Matt. Out on the lake. Hey, I hear a train. Matt, you can walk over that tree now. No, cuz I don't want to come find you. Not too far. Hey, there's a dog. Four-wheeler, ice house. It is pretty. What? All right. We'll be back in a little bit. And we're leaving, and it's snowing. And we got about 4 inches of snow in 4 hours that we were here. So our little 2 hour and 20 minute drive is probably going to take, yeah, a long time. All right, I'm going to call your mom in a minute, but we're just going to keep this going for a bit so they can see the drive out.